I will be writing area of rectangle. It is equal to length into breadth. Okay, then I will write the next line is area of rectangle. It is equal to 5.7 into 3.
17.1 centimeter square.
17.1 centimeter square. You are correct. Excellent for the speed. 17.1 centimeter square is the final answer. So please write in your classwork copy this question, then I can proceed.
Now we have to write the answer for every part.
Yeah,
Done, ma'am.
done. Okay. So I'm erasing. Okay, so let's move to question number 3. 1.3 into 10. So if it is 10,
13.0
yeah, so it will change into 13.0,
centimeter square.
or you can write 13. Okay, I'm doing first row. So first I have done. So let's do fifth part. Samraj,
Yes, ma'am.
fifth part answer.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it will be, ma'am, 3110.
3110. Decimal will move 2 places in the right direction. So it is 10. Very good. So ninth part, Garima.
Ma'am, she is not here.
Acha, she got disconnected. Okay, Rakshita.
Yes, ma'am, I have to do it. Ma'am, sixth part.
Ninth.
Ninth part. Ninth.
Ma'am, can Samraj tell?
Ma'am, the answer is 5.0 or you can say 5.
Correct. 5.0 or 5. You are correct. So the homework is the second row, second, 6 and 10.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Samraj.
Will be the answer will not be the answer, ma'am. 50 of ninth.
No, beta. Why no? See, 0.5 when it gets multiplied by 10. There is 1 0. So decimal will move 1 place in the right direction. So it is 5 only.
Okay, ma'am.
If it is 100, then it will move 2 direction. Then it will become 50.
Ma'am, what was the homework in the first question? What was the homework? Third, fourth, and
Third,
fifth.
third question, I am just writing the homework of third part, question number
No,
3.
ma'am, I am saying that what was the homework of first question?
Samraj, can you tell?
Yes, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
No problem. So I will write homework on the screen. Question number 1, third part, fourth part, sixth part, and seventh part. Rakshita,
Okay, ma'am.
and question number 3, second part, sixth part, 10th part. This is the homework for question number 1 and 3. Just take the screenshot, Rakshita, and you just put it on the group, because uh, Garima can also see the questions. You have taken a screenshot?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's discuss the third part answer. 153.7 into 10. So there is 1 0, so decimal will move one place in the right direction. So answer is
1537.
1537.
0.0.
0.0, or you can say 1537 only.
Yes, ma'am.
Seventh part is 3.62 into 100.
362.
So decimal will move two places in the right direction. So it is 362. Okay, 0.9 into 10. 100. If I multiply 0.9 by 100, then decimal moves two places in right direction. So it is 90.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Rakshita.
like there is a 0 before
Yeah.
the 9. Ma'am, will that matter?
Speak again.
मैम जैसे इस क्वेश्चन में 0.9 है तो मैम ये जो 0 है डेसिमल के पहले मैम वो उसका कोई काम है
नहीं
Will
नहीं,
that matter?
उसका कोई वर्क नहीं है. हमें डेसिमल के बाद को देखना है.
Okay.
डेसिमल को मूव करना है. तो अगर 100 है तो डेसिमल विल मूव इन द राइट डायरेक्शन, टू राइट प्लेसेस. तो राइट प्लेसेस में दो बार आगे बढ़ जाएगा. एक तो 9 हो गया, एक और के लिए मैंने 0 लगा दिया. सो इट इज 90.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
So let's proceed with the fourth part. 168.07 into 10. तो 10 है मतलब right direction में one movement. तो decimal will come here. So it is
1680.7.
correct. 1680.7.
4307.
4307 will be answer of 8th part.
030.
तो अब यहाँ पे 1000 है तो
030.
030 या 030 को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? 30.
Yes.
030 is 30. So you can write answer in your copy as 30.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you please tell the homework for the question number?
Garima, come near to your mic.
Ma'am, I have said that can you please tell the homework for question number 3?
Yeah, I have written it on the screen. Can you see question number 3?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
So we have completed today exercise 2.6, question number 1, 2, 3. Okay, and I am hoping you will be putting, all of you will put your classwork as well as homework on our group itself. तो जैसे
Okay, ma'am.
क्लास ओवर हो जाए अपना क्लासवर्क होमवर्क करके put it up on the group and let's meet tomorrow at 6 p.m.
Okay.
6 to
Okay,
7
ma'am.
p.m.
Okay, ma'am.
है ना? तो और
Bye,
कोई
ma'am.
डाउट हो तो पूछ लो और अदरवाइज we will be ending our class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye बच्चों. So
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day. Thank you.
thank you. Welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all.